Hello guys, it's me Zayn, and today we're gonna take a test. The story goes like, I was just doing the Instagram stuff. I was just looking at pictures and I was searching for some plant stuff and just beautiful plant pictures, because Instagram, well, it's a huge provider of these beautiful pictures. And as I was searching and browsing there, I found it was actually linked to a website. I think they had an Instagram site and it was linked to a website. I wouldn't be so interested in that if it wasn't so curious. So the thing is, the website was called, and maybe I'm just remembering it wrong right now, but it was like orchidinfo.eu. Okay, maybe not. Shit! Okay, I wanted to film this video today, but I'm not finding the website. It wasn't Orchid Info EU? Orchids Info EU. Okay, here we go. I found it. Oh, I received. Okay, so it's called Orchids Info EU and they have it. This beautiful Bartley Schwartz there. I love it. I have it. I was interested in this website for a reason, because there are some orchid websites on the internet, for example forums, where people get together and can talk about it. Also there are some selling websites which sell orchids, and also there are some sites which are personal sites for some people who decided to make a website about orchid tutorials. These are the main types. I'm sure there are some more, but this idea popped up in my mind. Orchids Info EU, that is just too general. I mean, what is it? A non-profit society organization for Europe who tells how to care for orchids, or what is that? It was too general in my mind and I still don't know, so I started to browse their website, and this is their website. I mean, yeah, it's beautiful, and you can see this, that it's not a personal something. This was pre-made by professionals because it's beautiful, or it was made by a really creative person who actually knows how to do this stuff. But actually, if you look at it, you can see that this website is like those bulk buying, mass producing websites, but actually you cannot purchase orchids here. So I still don't know what is this. We have care tips here for orchids, very general care tips. We have a bunch of pictures here. We have like filter, color, rarity, style, blah blah, kind of image, close-up, sphere. What is a sphere image? We have this site here which just puzzles me because I don't know what is this. Get in touch with us. But who are you? Tell me, who are you? I wanna know. Cumbria-like orchids, Camellia orchid. It's like, okay, and why is this website existing? What is your purpose? Campaign for orchids being staged in collaborations with all pot orchid growers in the Netherlands. Still, I don't know anything. As I was browsing on their website, I found the interesting stuff here. I mean, look at that. Show who you are. Discover which orchid suits you. Answer 9 questions to find out. Bitch, I'm here for this. I will answer 9 questions and me and you, everybody will know which orchid suits me the best. So, do the test. This is just a fun video. Some people are just so angry in my know-it-all section that I can have fun here without telling any facts about orchids. I mean, bitch. Okay, so let's start this test. Did you know there's an orchid for every type of personality? Is that a fact though? I'm not sure about that. Show who you are and discover which orchid suits you. Bitch, guess what? This is what we're gonna do today. Show who you are. Start the test. Okay, so as I was looking at this website on my phone and I was looking at this test, I actually saw the first question because, I checked it out. If it's a shitty question or a shitty test, I won't do a video about it. But I saw this and bitch, it was ideal. Oh no. Shit! We had to be fast here because the test will restart. Oh shit, how am I gonna make this video today? We're gonna be fast. What is your ideal holiday? Recovering in a luxurious resort far away. Sounds good. Backpacking in South America. Sounds very good. Quirky camping in the Mediterranean. No. An organized trip through South Africa. I don't know. Backpacking or South Africa. I have to be fast, okay? So start the test. Backpacking in South America. It is. Okay, when I'm at a party, I catch up on the latest trends. I am the light. Oh, no. I often have fierce discussions. I help with the drinks. I love to help. How would you describe your clothing style? Nice and casual, follow the latest trends. Well, sometimes I do. I look smart and simple. Vintage is my style. Well, let's be the trendy one. I know it doesn't show in my videos. What would be your dream job? I don't care as long as I'm in charge. I like it. Being creative. Okay, I don't even have to like read it. Being creative. For example, as an artist. That's me. If you were to land a role in a movie, what role would you choose? Action hero, a romantic movie, comedy, I don't know. Adventurous road trip in a hilarious comedy. That's for me. If I win a large sum of money, I will finally start my own business. Bitch, yes, I will share. Yes, I would share it. I will go on holiday. Oh shit. I will quit my job and travel around the world. I don't care. What is your favorite venue for eating out? A new hotspot, a restaurant, blah blah in the kitchen. A new hotspot, I want to try out new shit. You are planning a weekend away with friends. What is your role? I love planning these things sometimes. I will stay on the sideline. I'm a thinker. Okay, how do your friends, family, colleagues perceive you? Down to earth, real optimist, bitch no. Very helpful, party animal. I don't know. There is no me here. Down to earth maybe? I'm not sure. What? Shit, it took me too long to answer. Okay, I will try to remember the same answers. Backpacking, I help. Oh, there are my answers, so that's good. I follow the latest trends. And my last question, well, down to earth, bitch. You are an explorer. The world is your playground. Nothing is more fun than discovering new things. Hell yes. You adore traveling and try to experience everything life has to offer and more. Well, that's kind of true. Not always. So what colors do you prefer? Cookies. Oh, okay. I thought these birds are the names of these colors. Okay, so here we have this purplish, the red, and the magenta. Okay, I have a lot of red orchids, so I don't prefer the red color either in life. And here we have the purple and this magenta, and right now, currently, I'm really into these pinks and magenta, so let's go with that one. The orchid that matches me was found since. Oh, why? And I had to start again. I hate this website. I'm willing to take this test again, just to choose the purple color. I don't want to be a phalaenopsis. They told me I'm a phalaenopsis. I'm a peasant? Bitch, no. You're an explorer. Bitch, yes, but I'm not choosing the magenta again. Okay, let's go with the purple. And the orchid type that matches you is Vanda, yay! The orchid suits you with an exotic color. You might also like these orchids. I want to do the test again. No, bitch, I don't want to do the test again. Yes, I'm Vanda. I cannot click at it, nothing, and I had to start again. Oh, this shitty website is just ridiculous. Let's read something about myself. Cambria, Camellia, Cymbidium, Dendrobium, Dendrobium nobile. Exceptional orchid? What is that? At first I'm gonna read about myself just a little bit, and after it we're gonna read about the exceptional orchid. Bitch, this is me. The area roots act as sponges, blah blah, I don't care. I mean, they have these care tips here, like you can purchase an orchid, but then you cannot. Yeah, Vanda grows best in a light spot in a glass vase. Yeah, Vanda. The care tips were pretty good, let's say. These care tips were these typical orchids are fancy care tips, and you don't need a lot of info, only this care tips. In the summertime, the Vanda can be placed in the garden in the shade where it will need virtually no care. I'm not sure about that. Okay, so exceptional orchids, so these aren't those mass-produced types, but a little bit something else. Fantastic movies? YouTube, orchids info, fantastic movies, wow. You made me curious. Should they have an orchid info channel? Orchids, 3 care tips, only 3, okay, I'm curious. Shit, this is too loud. I love these videos, they are so fun. I feel like I'm watching a movie trailer or something. Cut off the branch at the bottom, Cymbidium, Dendrobium, Miltonium, Oncidium, Clophiopedilum, oh my god! Shit, this video is really fun to watch actually. Bitch, what? Water once a month? Okay, I had to comment on this video. Comment. Still, this video is fun. Ooh, bitch, that's a good idea. That was a good carrot tip. Okay, this is tip 4 and we have 3 carrot tips. I'm confused. Okay, what is that campaign? Enjoy, it's from Europe. Campaign financed with aid from the European Union. What is this? I'm puzzled by this. I mean, why is this website existing? You cannot purchase orchids. You get these really advertisement smelling videos and care tips. Where is the profit for this? Who is behind this? I'm curious. I'm just puzzled by this website. I don't know why is this existing. I don't know what's the reason behind it. I don't know why it has these really fun videos. You know, this is my video for today and I hope you liked it. If you like this video, click on the like button. If you disliked it, then you're a Phalaenopsis orchid personality type, a peasant. Well, take the test if you want and leave a comment down in the I know it all section below. What orchid type are you? Because I'm curious. I guess I'm the only one who is peasant. So subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my other channel and follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to click on the bell button so you will get notifications every time I post. So see you next time, my beautiful peasant people.